Hey, it's Russell Graves here at Hackberry Farm, and I've got a brand new box in front of me, and I'm really excited to share what's in here with everybody. So stay tuned and let's take a look and see what's inside. All right, so for about a year now, I've been hosting these workshops all over the country and starting to be all over the world. And one of the things that I always try to do when I do my workshops is provide snacks and water for everyone else, as well as they're all inclusive, so everything gets supplied. But one of the things that always bothers me is how many water bottles you got to carry around. So with that in mind, I went to one of my favorite companies of all time, Yeti, and we had these made for all of our workshop guests. And again, I haven't seen these yet. This is the first time I've seen them. And I don't know how they're packed, and I don't know what they're gonna look like. And it looks like they're kind of packed into a group in here. So let me try to get this one out. Packed in pretty tight, I'll tell you that. I've been waiting on these guys for a while. I ordered them right before Christmas, and I guess to get the Christmas rush, they had to wait a little bit. So we'll move the rest of those away and break it down here to a smaller box. And again, these things are packaged really well. I hope they look as good as what I think they will. The only way I know what they look like is I picked out the color online. I uploaded the artwork online. This is all put together with the hopes that we can eliminate a lot of the plastic bottle waste that we go with. So I decided for every one of the workshop participants that go with me on a trip, and I'm gonna have to unwrap this one for you to see it. Everyone who goes on a trip with me gets this Yeti water bottle. I think they look great. They're kind of this orange color. I got my logo Hackberry Farm Texas put on it, so I'm pretty excited about it. The way they work is they've got an internal, they've got this internal straw that you just plug in there, fill it up with water, put the lid back on, and when it's time to drink, you just pop it out and drink it like a straw. That way it eliminates some potential waste and everything else. But like everything Yeti, they're built really, really tough. Can't wait to get these in the hands of all my workshop participants. So if you haven't been on a workshop with us yet, come on along. They're a lot of fun. We have a good time. You'll learn a lot about photography. You'll learn a lot about the areas we go to, and they're just a lot of fun. Plus, from now on, you get this great Hackberry Farm branded Yeti water bottle. So come on along. Hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot.